What if the secret to reducing chronic inflammation lies in your diet? Inflammation is a natural response of the body to harmful stimuli, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis. Understanding inflammation is key to identifying dietary practices that can help mitigate its harmful effects. A vegan diet, rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, can help reduce inflammation. This plant-based eating pattern excludes all animal products, focusing on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are abundant in vitamins A, C, and K, essential for regulating the immune response. Colorful fruits, including berries and citrus fruits, provide antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice offer complex carbohydrates for energy and are rich in minerals. Legumes, such as lentils and chickpeas, serve as good sources of protein and assist in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Nuts and seeds, including almonds and chia seeds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help protect heart health. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, reducing the consumption of inflammatory foods. By avoiding meat, dairy, and eggs, individuals can decrease their intake of saturated fats and arachidonic acid. A well-planned vegan diet includes a variety of anti-inflammatory alternatives. Spices like turmeric and ginger can enhance the anti-inflammatory effects of meals. A vegan diet offers numerous advantages, including a lower risk of chronic diseases. Research shows that vegans have lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. A study found that vegans face a 30 to 50% lower risk of developing heart disease. Plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of colorectal and breast cancers. The vegan diet can promote healthy weight loss by encouraging the consumption of filling, high-fiber foods. Meal preparation and planning allow individuals to enjoy balanced meals that support weight loss. The vegan diet enhances gut health due to the high levels of dietary fiber found in plant-based foods. Improved gut health can lead to better nutrient absorption and reduced inflammation. A vegan diet is rich in antioxidants derived from a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These compounds work to neutralize free radicals, reducing cell damage and lowering inflammatory markers. Omega-3 fatty acids can be sourced from flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. A vegan diet inherently lowers the intake of inflammatory foods commonly found in the Western diet. Starting a vegan diet can be done gradually, making small changes to transition eating habits. Experimenting with different foods can enhance your culinary experience and provide a broader range of nutrients. Adopting a vegan diet can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not done correctly, so careful planning is essential. Despite its benefits, a vegan diet can be challenging due to limited options when eating out and social stigma. Discover the anti-inflammatory power of plants and transform your health with a vegan lifestyle.